get that money and fame now, but they don't understand.
Shit getting realer and realer. Came up on a couple of million. I invested in some buildings. Look at my money and triple.